Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, say something. Sorry that I couldn't get to you. Say something, say something. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on 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 you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I will follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, Camperdown, that shell. That was quite an enjoyable performance. Boy, I feel like I want to be part of the choir. The little truck part, I can play that with me at the rock, paper, scissors and something there. The youth, them run at the back, thanks for representing, because most times the girls, them, them take the lead and but represent, so that was pretty good. And boy, we met the man them on the Camperdown choir so savage. Why is so savage? Wait, what should the boss? She never like the picture on Instagram? A wrong number should you give you?
Yeah, Camperdown, that performance was clean, accurate, interesting, and really very entertaining. I enjoyed especially the tenor. The tenor was very beautiful. And especially the part where we had the duets with the two ladies, and Anywhere I Will Follow You, that part was just so special. Yeah. The thing about this competition is that this is a time when choirs start to set themselves apart. And you can only set yourself apart when you have such a challenging arrangement and deliver it so accurately. So I have great hopes for you.